All right, let's try this again. I'm reshooting this because I just shot the whole thing. I am redoing the giveaway for Hiking with Viking. David over at Hiking with the Viking, his channel. We are trying to do a giveaway. So what you will get is Fiberlight Fire Starter Kit, 3 of David's stickers, 4 Fiberlight stickers in 2 different colors. See? Those. The Fiberlight Fire Starter Kit. Now, there's a second place prize too. Vantage Force Pro, Buck Vantage Force Pro and 20 CV, and Fiberlight stickers. Once again, little step in, because during editing I realized I made a mistake. This knife is not in 20 CV, it's an S30V, and I don't know why I got that mixed up, but yeah, S30V. Now, once again, just like last time, this is what you have to do. Please listen, because I don't want to have to rerun this giveaway again. We want to try and get David close to 200 subscribers. He's sitting at like 180 now. These are the requirements of the giveaway. You have to follow David's channel, and you have to leave a comment below. If you don't enter a comment below and you only follow David's channel, you will not be entered into the giveaway. The giveaway, your entry is the comment below. You also have to you have to join David's channel as a subscriber, not monetarily, but as a subscriber. Those are the 2 requirements. First place, Fiberlight Fire Starter Kit, bunch of stickers. Second place, Vantage Force Pro. We've got well over $100 worth of stuff here. Fiberlight Kit, if you haven't seen it, I did a video about it. The Fiberlight Fire Starter Kit that he sent me is the basic kit. It is a box of tinder and once again I drop it, a mini ferro rod, whistle, and striker. Inside an entire tin, probably enough to start several campfires of their tinder. Once again, don't want to have to run this again. If we can get David close to 200 subscribers, we will be giving away these 2 items. Once again, you have to follow David's channel. You have to go and subscribe to David's channel so we can get his subscribers up. And leave a comment below. If you want to do a like, that's fine. I would prefer, I'd like to do a like because I am giving away an American-made product for free, $100 worth of stuff. But like I said, follow David's channel, leave a comment below. I will announce sometime what the giveaway date is. I'll put it in the description. I haven't decided yet what the date is. I'm figuring today is Thursday. We run it till next Thursday. We give it 1 week. If we get enough subscribers, we'll give it away. I'll do a drawing where first and second place, I just randomize the comments. First place gets this Fiberlight Fire Starter Kit and a bunch of stickers, David's stickers included. Second place gets the Vantage Force Pro, S35VN, and 2 Fiberlight stickers. I mean, there is no real second place. I'm just doing 2 separate drawings. They're about equal value for the 2 items, just about $100. So, guys, putting this video up right now, and I am going to release the video I shot day before yesterday and put up. I'll get that released today, and we are gonna have to do a talk about this steel. So I'm having an issue. So guys, take it easy. Join the giveaway. Go follow David's channel. Drop a like if you want. You have to leave a comment to be entered in this video. Follow David's channel, drop a comment in this video. Follow David's channel, drop a comment in this video. I just don't want there to be any confusion. I don't want people to go, oh, I didn't know there was strings attached. I think I've said it enough times. This is not just basically a giveaway. This is we have to get David closer to 200, then we'll see if we got close and do a giveaway. Please, let's do this. Take it easy. Putting this video together, I just realized I forgot to mention Hiking with the Viking, David's channel. There will be a link in this corner. In this corner. All the other corners, it's gonna have normal stuff in it. A link to David's channel so you can subscribe is right here, where my finger is. See, I'm touching it.